Friday, February 28, 2025. Focus. What therefore God has joined together, let not man separate. Marriage is God's beautiful gift that mirrors the love of Christ for His church, selfless, forgiving, and enduring. As 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 says, "Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast." Such love is the foundation of every strong marriage. But like superglue, marriage, if torn asunder, causes deep wounds, leaving behind fragments of ourselves. Jesus' teaching on marriage is clear and firm. Marriage is a sacred bond that should not be broken. For those who are married or preparing for marriage, it is essential to let Jesus be the superglue of the union, anchoring them to each other and to God. And anyone who embarks on this journey must never take the sacrament for granted. The first reading reminds us of the transformation that occurs in our friendships and relationships when we fear and revere the Lord. It is through this reverence that we become gentle, loving people, capable of building strong, God-centered unions. When we prioritize God, we align ourselves with His wisdom, building a relationship made to last. The psalmist tells us to humble ourselves and seek God's guidance. God instructs us in His ways and helps us nurture the marriage with love, patience, and understanding while protecting us from harm. Fruit. I will observe God's law with all my heart and build my marriage guided by the love and selflessness Jesus has for His church.